Welcome to Mamafox Books Storytime Saturdays. I'm children's author Phoebe Fox. You can come here anytime to hear some of your favorite children's stories. Today we're going to be reading a book called Above the Clouds, What Really Happens in Heaven During a Thunderstorm. Written by Stephanie Barton, Carley Barton, and Sue Milon. Illustrations were by Kelly Mengarelli. On a dark and stormy night, a loud clap of thunder woke Grace up, and she cried out for her mommy. "It's all right, Grace," said her mommy. "It might be scary for you, but let me tell you about the incredible party going on above the clouds in heaven." Above the clouds, the angels in heaven are having an amazing dance party. They are jamming to DJ Joy, jumping up and down to the beat. The rumble of thunder is the stomping of the angels' feet as they dance the night away. Above the clouds, the angels in heaven are showing off their fabulous dance moves for the paparazzi as the cameras flash away. The angels even have their very own selfie station. The lightning, so bright in the sky, is the flash of the many cameras capturing the fun. Above the clouds, the angels in heaven are having a contest to see who can tell the funniest joke. The jokes make the angels laugh so hard they start to cry. The raindrops you see are happy tears of laughter. Above the clouds, the angels in heaven are having a race to see who gets to be your guardian angel. The lucky winner will get to be with you always and forever. The whistling of the wind is the fluttering of the angels' wings as they race as fast as they can. Now that you know what's really happening in heaven during a thunderstorm, just imagine all the fun the angels are having above the clouds. The end. I hope you enjoyed Above the Clouds. Maybe you could draw a picture of what you think happens during a thunderstorm. I hope you'll subscribe so that I can keep making these Storytime Saturdays, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!